Is it permissible to combine the prayers together when you're working due to the shortness of the day? For example, Dhuhr and Asr. No, it is not permissible. Take 5-10 minutes and go and pray somewhere. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made all of the earth a place of purification and prayer. You can purify yourself and you can pray anywhere in the ard. So find a place. Obviously not, keep away from the lavatories and toilets. Find a place, find a room or a closet somewhere. Whether you're at school or college, or whether you're at work or wherever you are, find somewhere. Go to the car park and pray. Who's going to stop you in the car park? Go next to your car or in between two cars and make salah. Take your prayer mat. If they say, no, you can't do it here because, maybe it's just one open area, nowhere to pray because people are going in and out of the main office or whatever, go to the car park and pray. Don't be embarrassed. Barakallahu feekum. If you're on the motorway, go to a service station. Keep a prayer mat in your boot of your car. Take it out. Obviously the floor's hard or greasy or whatever. Put the prayer mat out and pray. Let the people see how devoted we are to Islam. And we show our devotion to Allah, first and foremost, that we worship Him when He has called upon us to worship Him at the times that He has called upon us to worship Him. Barakallahu feekum.